What's up, everybody? This is week 11 of the SB50 Cinematography Challenge. I'm your host, Bill Howard, and we're going to go back into a few techniques. This week, we're going to talk about slow-mo. Now, using slow motion for your videos will add some dramatic effects, and that's kind of what we're going to be looking for. And for this week's challenge, what we want to see you do is, it can be one scene, it can be 2, 3, 4 scenes as a setup. We're going to extend the limit a little bit. Instead of trying to keep it under 10 seconds, we'll go up to 25 seconds if you need to tell your story. But let's use slow motion to set up whatever the shot is that you want to add that effect to help enhance that story. Now, for slow motion and some of the stuff we're going to get to in the future, we have to look at the shutter speed. And some of the footage I just shot, I was using 125 frames per second, and therefore I had to speed my shutter up to not make it look choppy or make it look too blurred. So I used a shutter speed of 1/250th of a second to attain that look. And it's called the inverse law. And for instance, if you're shooting 24 frames per second, you want your shutter speed at 50th of a second. So if I'm speeding it up to 1/25th, or excuse me, 125 frames per second, I need to shoot at 1/250th of a second for my shutter speed. So that's going to give you the proper effects. And you can do this with a DSLR or even your cell phone, whether it's Android or iOS. Just go into the Pro Photo mode and you can find out how to do the slow motion on that. But let's see what kind of story you got there, and I look forward to seeing what you got.